ahead and turn on the bell notification things at the top corner so you get notified when I post a video. Okay, so the first basic thing we're gonna do today is just passing to ourselves. A lot of coaches teach with legs, some teach with arms, some teach with both. So I'm gonna show you guys what each of those look like. Arms out, elbows locked, wrists and hands together, and fold. The most important thing is to make sure that my thumbs are even and that my platform is even. So if one of my thumbs are on top, you see that I have an uneven platform. One arm is higher than the other. So it's going to be a lot of random results off of your platform. So always make sure arms out, wrists and hands together, even surface. I don't want to be too wide with my feet, and I don't want to be too narrow with my feet. I want to have nice, even balance so that you're ready to move every way. I'm going to show you what passing with my legs looks like first. So passing with your legs uses obviously a lot of your legs. It's going to make you stand up and sit back down. It's a lot of dramatic movement in our lower limbs. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like with just using my platform. It's going to be a lot of upper body swinging. As you can see, when I use either more lower body movement or more upper body movement, I'm not very much in control with what I'm doing. So now I'm going to put it together and show you a good balance of both, and so that I have more ball control when I'm passing to myself. Spun it in full circle for you guys just so you can see what it looks like from different angles. And every time that I pass the ball, I reset my feet and got my feet under the ball with a good rhythm. It doesn't matter if your right foot's down first or left foot's down first. Just creating a rhythm with your feet and your body is going to help you be in more control.
First step for hitting. This is the fitting and slowest step. If a sparker is right-handed, it's necessary to step up from the left leg, and completely opposite for the left-handed player. The second step, you should step up, pull both arms behind you and then to the sides for making backswing. The third step, it consists of two steps, stall and side half step. A player needs to stop rapidly and sit slightly for future jumping. A short distance should be between feet, it's near 50 or 60 centimeters. Take a breath. Swing up. To swing arms helps to increase jumping and keep the balance for player. For this, it's necessary to throw both arms back as far as possible. Jumping. Push up quickly. It's very important to avoid spreading out legs over rise, because a player can lose the height of jumping. Legs should be parallel to each other. Swing. A player sweeps trunk and gets an arm if he right-handed to his back for a taking hit, and left arm moves up and straight ahead like the aim. The important item is not lay down the elbow lower than shoulder and attack on the maximum height. The ball should be behind the head. It should be in front of the player. In this case, the player can control the direction of hitting and attack correctly. The control of the court. It's necessary to look at the opponent's court by side vision to see empty zones for spike. The hitting. The player's trunk swings around himself. Then the shoulder of attacking arm connects. When it becomes straight, start to hit the ball. Breathe out and don't forget to bend hand to avoid a ball out of play. If a hand relaxed during the hitting, it will allow to make a slash like a whip. Landing. A player should control his body. It's necessary to get down on half-bent legs to avoid any contact with the net or going into the opponent's court.